up, YouTube? We coming here today from Miami, Florida. 3-5. Woo! Today, I'm gonna show you my company, Go and Go Mobile Detail Pressure Cleaning. It's my van actually. Showing you my wrap right now. It's a 2010 E250 to be exact. The person who actually did this magnificent wrap, CWD wrap.
Woo!
Miami Beach. Check them out.
Woo!
Right there across the track, my Lamborghini.
Hit them up.
Miami.
Hit them up.
Tell CWD got something.
Woo.
Check this out, dude. I'm gonna show you my plan. Next side. Over here we got the shelves. Okay. This is my buckets. My wash bucket, my rinse bucket, my tire bucket. We'll jump into the van. Got my pressure washer, 3200 PSI. Actually connected right to this pressure washer hose right here, 50 foot. This is the real. Nothing sloppy, baby. Like a gun. You can reel them back in. Get them out the way. Next to my pressure washer, I keep my bucket with my foam canning, soaps, the greasers, my special stuff. Over here, we got my special boy generator. That's the man of the hour.
Big boy.
Yes, sir. This is what connects the vacuums, the extractors, the compressors, the steamers. Him.
Whoa. It's two fans.
Yeah. My two vacuums. This right here, I love them. Extractor from Mighty 8070 heat extractor. Check them out, look them up. We got a compressor right here. Another magnificent toy to have on the van. Right in the shop on the van. Got the shelf right here. And on the shelf we got everything. Everything you think you would ever need to have a car. Whatever you need. For detail, I got it here. I promise you. From clay mitts to clay bars, from compounds to polishes, from 3D to 3M to chemical guys, from everywhere. Over here we got my vacuum hose, and on top of the shelf, keep my lights, late night washes. I'm there.
Like the fifth.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna take you around over here. This part of the van, 275 gallon tank, baby.
Big boy.
We go out there and we do what we do.
Grind.
These are air fresheners. Choose what you want, baby. Smell good.
Smell good.
Over here we got our gas tanks. We keep two because we real busy. It gets popping. And over here, we got toolbox with full details. We do what we do. Got our ladder. Can't forget the ladder for the big boys.
Y'all see the number? Check them out.
Yes, sir. Since actually getting it all the way together, actually the only things that I'm missing is like really compounds, polishes. Like, to be honest, I got everything, but if you're missing something, you don't got everything, so I'll consider it everything. Yeah, like I was saying, I got shelves, 2 shelves. I keep 2 shelves, at least 10 bottles. 510 altogether on the shelves. We got pressure washer right here, connected all the way up here to this pressure washer reel. This actually is 100 for hose. I'm gonna change this hose because I actually don't like this hose. I got this off Amazon, not to bash Amazon or nothing. The hose is good, I just don't like my preference. I wanna get a hose like that. Don't like this hose, but it's alright. Do what it do. Over here we got the 4400 XP Duramax generator. Not as big as my other one, but we still do what we do, and it still gets the job done. And over here, 2 vacuums. I always keep 2 vacuums. As you see, this one I did a very, very filthy job. Gotta clean this out real soon when I get done. Compressor. Gotta keep a compressor. You had to, you just had to. Up here, my gun to blow off, you know. I don't want to touch your car. Air dry it, get that out the way. Let's get it, baby. Everything you need on the shelf, like my first van, everything. I'm just missing the, you know, compounds, stuff like that. This van is actually my pressure cleaning van, but in the meantime, it's still a detail van until I get it to where I want it to be at. So yeah. But before I do that, when I'm walking by, I got my buckets, wash bucket, rinse bucket, my bucket with my foam cannon. I keep 2 for some reason. I gotta keep 2. I like to keep 2 of everything. Go around.
Dial them up, dial them up.
Over here, I just gotta, I'm a little sloppy right now. I just gotta fix it up. I just came from working. My hose, gotta clean them up. It's my extractor. I gotta keep it extracting. Keep it extracting. Got to. I got my tank. I gotta get another tank. Actually, I like to keep 2 of everything. Got my jumper cables. You never know. Fire extinguisher. Gotta keep that. We got our lights up there for night washes. A ladder. This one is actually a 250 gallon tank. It's 25 gallons smaller than the other one, but we get out there. 275 and 250, baby. We'll be there every time. Check them out. This is the other van. This van is actually different. It has a pressure cleaning on it. Pressure cleaning. It has cars, but it has pressure cleaning too. The other one has straight cars.
A Lambo. And they have lost a Lambo before.
This is a plenty.
Plenty of Lamborghinis.